Large, high-quality potatoes arrive at the factory by truck. The potatoes are unloaded into hoppers for processing. Workers carefully inspect and sort the large potatoes to ensure only the best are used.
The potatoes are transported to the washing area.
In the washer, dirt and debris are thoroughly removed from the large potatoes.
Cleaned potatoes move to the next stage.
The potatoes enter the steam peeling section. High-pressure steam loosens and removes the skin efficiently.
Now peeled, the large potatoes are ready for inspection.
An optical sorter detects and removes any defective potatoes. Only perfect large potatoes proceed. The potatoes approach the high-speed slicing machine. Razor-sharp blades slice the potatoes into thin, even chips.
The thin slices are collected on the conveyor.
The slices are rinsed to remove excess starch.
Rinsing prevents sticking and improves texture.
Next, the slices enter the blanching process.
Blanching inactivates enzymes and preserves color.
Blanched slices are now prepared for drying. Excess water is removed through high-speed air drying. The dry slices head to the continuous fryer.
In 180 to 190 degrees Celsius oil, moisture turns to steam, creating crispiness.
The chips cook evenly in the continuous fryer.
Golden crispy chips emerge from the oil.
The slices enter the hot oil fryer.
Excess oil is removed immediately after frying.
The chips are now less oily and ready for seasoning.
The chips move to the seasoning tumbler.
Salt and flavors are evenly applied as the drum tumbles. Perfectly seasoned chips continue forward.
The hot chips are cooled to room temperature.
Cooling helps maintain crispiness. An optical scanner checks for imperfections. Imperfect chips are automatically removed. Only the best chips proceed to packaging.
Chips are weighed for accurate portioning.
Precise amounts are dispensed into bags. Bags are formed and filled with fresh chips. Nitrogen is injected to preserve freshness.
The bags are heat sealed for airtight protection.
Sealed bags move to quality check.
A metal detector ensures no contaminants.
Each bag is printed with date and batch information.
Bags are packed into cartons.
Cartons are sealed for shipping.
Cartons are stacked on pallets. Pallets are transported to storage.
From farm to factory, enjoy the perfect potato chip.
The finished products await distribution.
This efficient process turns large potatoes into crispy chips.